Hi everyone. So today I want to show you how to set up your custom domain from Dialora. Here you can see I'm clicking on the setup domain and then I'm now entering the my custom domain where I want the agency app to be accessible. So simply type your custom domain and then click on submit. Here I will need the access to my domain provider. There I will need to add few CNAME records or CA record. Here you can see I already have an access to my domain provider. Here you can see the option to add CNAME records. Okay, so now I will start the process here. Give it a few minutes. As you can see, I have 4 CNAME records. Now I will copy first one and add CNAME record here. I'm choosing the CNAME, copy and pasting it in the host value, and then copying the data URL, and then pasting it in the IP address. Now I'm copying the second value, its data URL in the target here. Now the third record. As you can see, I've added all the 4 CNAME records, and then I will click save all the records. Mhm. Now I will go over to the Dialora and wait a couple of more minutes, and it should show that our app is in verifying state, as you can see. So now the setup is completed, and now the app is in verifying. Once that this is verified, the app will be live on our custom domain. It might take around like a few hours for the verification to complete. As you can see here, once it is verified, we will be able to access the app on our custom domain with our branding. And now I'm able to log into as the agency user. Yep. So this is like a 3 or 4 step process, and that's how you can set up your custom domain.